I want everyone to know that she's there. She's there. She's a person and she's there. She's there. She don't deserve any of this. She don't deserve any of this. None of it.
Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. The story of young and promising Kaylon still edge on the minds of many, both local and international. What happened to this female is very sad, and it has caused so much people to think about life in a different way and a different manner depending on the current situation that we have seen played out as it relates to this female. She was at a party and she was actually jumped by 5 females, and in the end she was unconscious for a number of days, and now she's actually in a state that is very unpredictable of the future for her. And I just want to say that I just wish the mom all the best, and I hope that she does find the courage, the strength, and that the will to persevere during this difficult time. Because seeing your child in a position such as that is not a good feeling. And one have to just think about those happy times that you would have had with her when she was all bubbly and moving around. But in the interim, all I can say, I just ask my viewers, my subscribers, just continue to just pray for her and just bring those thoughts and those feelings together. If it's just the message, just send it over to the mom and just give her that level of comfort and that level of reassurance that she needs. Because having to deal with a situation such as this is not easy. But even in this current circumstance and the situation that is placed in front of us, we can't be negative about it. We have to remain positive because positivity is what really counts. So the mom provided an update as it relates to how she's doing, and we just want to take this opportunity just to share that with you, the general public. So let's go over to that right now on Links 007 TV. As well, please remember to support the GoFundMe page that is in support of her recovery as well. So just continue to just support that as well. Let's go over to what the mom had to say in relation to how she's doing. Links TV.
We know it has to do with the injury, but how the injury was done, that's a mystery. How the injury was done is a mystery. You know, I'm still at the hospital. I'm in the parking lot. But you know, just asking you guys to pray my strength because I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need it. And please pray for that spinal injury, that mysterious spinal injury. It's rough, guys. I'm telling the truth. I don't want this to happen to anybody. Don't want this to happen to anybody at all. Nobody. No matter who you be. Could have been me. You can do something about this pain. You can't do nothing about it. Nothing at all you can do about it. Can't do nothing about that type of pain, yeah. You know? You know? Still I gotta keep trying, you know. Still I gotta keep pushing. Still I gotta keep fighting, not giving up. Comfortable. I'm gonna do it. I don't care who wanna criticize me. Me no care who wanna like me. Me no care who wanna say me this, who wanna say me that. Me go do what me feel necessary to make her comfortable, and me go do what me feel necessary to make her alright. Or forget whatever she needs. Don't care whatever anyone or anything want to say. You ever stop. Right now she's doing the impossible already. She's already a miracle. 7 cardiac arrests recently, within less than a day, in a day and a half. 2 cardiacs back to back, and her conscious level is still there. She still can talk to me, move it, and she will do it. Right? She can't put her foot in the ear. She can't kick out her foot, but there's some movements. And that is also unexplained, because that itself is a miracle. Because with the type of injury that we're seeing, she shouldn't be able to do that, but she's doing it anyway. So, God is God. I'm not going to stop to say that. And I'm sharing this with you guys because I want to send up the praise. Give God his glory. Because, you know, maybe that is why a lot of times our blessings are delayed, because we keep quiet when we are supposed to give God his glory. Right? God do something for we, and we hush with it. But when we beaten, we bawl, and we talk, and we criticize, and we find fault, and not truth. And this is true. Because I have done it in the past. God I bless you, and your blessing is a mystery. Your blessing is so quiet. But when God I beat you, the whole world knows that God I beat you. Right? Everybody, you complain, God I beat you, God I beat you, God I beat you. And you don't deserve the beating. But when God do something good for you, you don't talk about it. You understand? So right now, who want vex, who want have something to say, because at the end of the day, I am the person dealing with this reality. Me, every single day, and our family members. You understand? Dealing with this every single day. Have to be coping with this every single day. Right? And now, me firsthand, every day now she's moving, communicating me. I try find answers, because I don't want to lie to her. Me I give her reasons why she has to stay there. And why I have to leave her there. Right? God deserves the glory, because despite the fact that she's still in this fragile state, there's still something to give thanks for. There's still something to give God to be glorified for. Right? Still have to give God thanks. Still have to glorify God for what little we do still have. And trust me, it's still a miracle. Because based on track record, medically, she's not supposed to be doing any of what she's doing now. And she is. So, to God be the glory. So, you know, guys, just keep praying, please. I'm gonna be going back into fasting. Gonna be going back into fasting, pray some more, because we need this miracle, because that's what it's gonna take. You know. So guys, that's what I want. I don't want nobody to be praying. Oh, I pray for Kaylon to get well. I don't want anybody to be praying for Kaylon. I want everybody to pray for a miracle, because that's what we need. We don't need her to just get well, because she's past getting well stage, right? What we need is a miracle. What we really need is a miracle. Right? What we need is a miracle, really and truly. So, you know, I'm gonna go. Maybe I go back to see her. But me have to cool down first. Me have to calm down first. Because I don't want her BP to go up when she sees me crying. Because that's what normally happens when I cry in front of her.
Well, there you have it. That was the mother of Kaylon, Miss Vanessa Buckle, giving us an update in relation to how Kaylon is doing. All I can say at this current moment, we just wish her all the best in her recovery process, and those that are contributing to the GoFundMe page in order to aid in her recovery process, thus continue to do so, because this is going to take a whole lot of money in order to get her back on her feet. And it's one of those situations which a parent has to be dealing with, and it's a very hard and compromising situation to be in a position such as this and not knowing what the future holds. It's an unpredictable situation right now that the mom is faced with, and it's one of those situations in which you really have to just hope for the best. And even though the reality might set in, you still have to just remain on that positive part, as the mom was stating there. And in relation to her memory, is that she's remembering something but not remembering everything that she needs to, and she is unable to even remember in relation to what transpired at the party that left her in the state that she's actually in. But all I can say is just wish the mom all the best, and I hope that the family just continue to just support her, and the whole entire world right now is in support of her recovery. And I just want you to know that you're not alone in this, and we'll just continue to just do what we have to do on our platform, just in order to comfort you and give you that level of assurance that you so desire. We're gonna leave this one here for now. Just drop it in the comment section though how you feel about this story. And thanks for watching Links 007 TV. We're out for this one. Peace out. Bless.